labafana bonke bakhule phambi kwami bafice bebancane nje nangani mncane mase ngikhombise nje ukuthi angingakanani. The experience you don't really get until you see a photo. That's when you appreciate how young I was at the time. To mention ngokwe minyaka, I was 17 years old. Ngizoba no 18 August. I was my first year in tertiary. I will say this again. If we let ourselves go, see where the sun is, let ourselves go completely. He will build us. Noma kwesikhathi kungabonakali mawufica umuntu ayesecakaza injini wayicakaza mechanic uyofica ibawuthi yilapha ukuthi ulapha wena ongazi uthi hey le moto uthi sawuhamba khona manje uyazi yena uma esekuhlanganisile siyahamba le moto uNkulunkulu unjalo. What's standing between our crown engarasti doesn't grow and ourselves is fear yokuyidedela siwele esandleni kaNkulunkulu njengoba siyijala. We want to stand on an artificial peak because it makes us feel better for a while until it comes out, because it always comes out. There is something called karma. It is real. If you don't deal with things truthfully and honestly, somewhere down the line, you're gonna meet or run into life the section where it is a teacher. Doesn't care who you are, who's your mother, what you've eaten, whether you are afraid of pain. It uses whatever instrument necessary to give you the lessons which you didn't get where you were supposed to allow yourself. Because the only person that can resist ukufundiswa uyena umqobo lwakhe. Sikunesisho sangapha e-Asia esithi when the student is ready, the teacher will come. Until you're ready to learn, you will not learn anything. Right? But it is interesting. It is interesting. We learn a lot. I met a Swami. I'm forgetting who's responsible for which temple, but is based in America. The white gentleman. So we are having a conversation. He's asking me, where did you get all this information from? Where did you learn this? You're so young. And this was like a couple of years ago, I think about 3 years ago. Because as we interact, we teach each other. I'm learning, you are learning. The only necessary element though is for you to become aware that you are learning. morning, it's a learning process until you go to bed. And whatever you wake up remembering, it's a learning process.
Yes.
So uthi I need to see this. Unless well, it's a tough terrain. I don't know if His Holiness the Swami will be able to or will take interest in Khalid.
Yeah.
We end up losing contact. I hope it's not because of that.
Well, maybe.
I hope sincerely. So, the learning process that takes place escoleni from early grades to tertiary is necessary for the kind of life that we have surrendered ourselves to. We have chosen to live this life. This is not the life, the only option we have.
Yes.
There are so many options. We have chosen to live the life we are living. Of waking up in the morning, going to a job, you don't see your children. They are by themselves. You don't know the things they are going through. To the extent that some families fail, and you meet people and they'll be in denial.
Exactly.
Of course, no, it's fear of accepting it. How many years has it been? If now I haven't done all this work, so no, let me turn a blind eye so they fool a dark veil deliberately over their eyes. But that too is a lesson on its own. So what you do in a situation like that, as I have learned, give the person time. Allow them enough time to prepare. You are a pace ahead of them. The fact that you've come to realize something, it doesn't mean that everybody is in the position or space in terms of their mental preparedness to appreciate it, embrace it, be with it, see it, accept it. They may see it, but to embrace it, that's a different story.
Yeah.
Because now, sometimes, ezinye izinto zihlaba njengameva when you embrace them, especially as a parent.